To start a repair, we go to iCleverTech.com. It brings us to the home page where we can choose Start Repair on the top right-hand corner, or scroll down where it shows each step of the identify process, and right underneath is a Start Repair button. Then it brings us to the Identify page. You click on the icon of the type of machine you have, and it gives you steps on where to find the model number, serial number, or EMC information. While you can use any of these options, the EMC does specifically get the year and model, so we'll enter that and press the Identify button. It will then bring you to the exact make and model of your machine. After that, we put in the symptom. In this case, I have a damaged screen. We have aggregated the information of many machines and their issues and have come up with a probability that can pinpoint exactly what's going to fix that issue. On this page, it will also bring up the total estimated cost as well as the turnaround time for this repair to get done. The next step is to either register or log into your account so that we can continue on with this work order. Once you have registered or logged in, it brings us back to the symptom page. From here, we'll go on and proceed. This then brings up the page to ship or pick up. If you would like, you can ship your machine into us or schedule a pickup for us to come to you. If you'd rather visit us in person, you can go ahead and press the skip button to the next page, and it will allow you to choose a store near you. This page also allows you to input the device's serial number, a reference or PO, also gives you the option for a rush service and the price of that. And that is it, you are all set. On this last page, it gives you your work order ID, as well as the store information, the store hours, and an option to check your repair history or track your repair.